Clamp Square line by Milescraft makes creating right angles quick and easy. Available in 4-inch and 8-inch 2-packs, whether your job is big or small, we have a size for you. These durable, lightweight squares can be used on both the inside or outside corner to create a 90-degree angle. And unlike metal squares, the composite material will not mar, scuff, or scrape your work. The versatile patented design allows for multiple clamping options. Milescraft square clamps work great with bar clamps, C-clamps, fence clamps, track clamps, and the Milescraft square clamp kit. The preformed clamp locations work great with Milescraft fence clamps, or use the built-in dovetail track with the Milescraft clamp square kit sold separately. Create perfect right angles on projects such as shelving, drawers, picture frames, storage boxes, doll houses, music boxes, and more. Or try using clamp squares on your drill press for accurate, repeated drilling on every piece. For right angles done right, use Milescraft clamp squares. Square Clamp Kit from Milescraft provides the ultimate upgrade to the ClampSquare line of products. If you thought creating right angles with our squares was easy, just wait until you get your hands on this kit. Each kit comes with an 8-inch clamp square which is durable, lightweight, and won't mar or scuff your work. Just like before, this square can be used with almost any clamping system, but the secret is in the pair of new Milescraft square clamps which come included in the kit. Use the built-in patented dovetail track to quickly attach the square clamps and position your project. Simply slide the square clamps toward your workpiece, press down on the durable cam lever handles to snap the clamps into place, and secure your project with the soft, non-slip, no-scratch pads built into each clamp. For longer pieces, support the ends of your work with the included 3/4-inch clamp supports to make sure your work stays straight and true. The square clamp kit can also act as a steady base to support large vertical boards upright while you work, and is also compatible with the Milescraft 4-inch clamp squares. Whether creating cabinets, assembling furniture, framing pictures, building shelves, or any other project, make quick work of 90-degree angles. For right angles done right, make sure to choose the Milescraft Square Clamp Kit.